Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Hello, curious minds. Today, we're going to delve into the captivating topic sources of water and water cycle. Sources of water on Earth. As we look the Earth from the space, it appears mostly blue. Why is this mostly blue? Earth looks blue due to the presence of a lot of water. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The table below shows how much water is found in oceans, as glaciers and as fresh water. Form of water, as glaciers. Percentage on Earth, 2%. Form of water, in the oceans, salty water. Percentage on Earth, 97%. Form of water, as fresh water, usable water. Percentage on Earth, 1%. Sources of water. Sources of water on the Earth are oceans, streams, rivers, springs, glaciers, rain, and also the underground water. This water exists in all the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Water cycle. Earth's water is constantly being recycled. Water moves from Earth's surface into the atmosphere, and water from the atmosphere comes back to the Earth's surface. This is called water cycle. The heat from the sun evaporates the water from water bodies such as lakes, rivers, ponds, and oceans. These water vapors rise up and form clouds. The water from the clouds fall to the Earth as rain. When the temperature is too low, the water from the clouds freezes and comes down to the Earth as snow. The water from rain and melting snow flows into the rivers and lakes, which take this water into the oceans. In this way, the cycle of water continues. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. Stay curious, and we will join you in the next video.